So I'm looking into filing a word mark, the CSPTO, that includes the word and. My question is, if I trademark a word mark using and, does that automatically cover the use of the ampersand symbol as well? Or do I need to file a separate mark?
Yeah, good question. Technically speaking, they look different, but they mean the same thing, and when we speak them, they sound the same. So, for all intents and purposes, registering one covers the other. Now, technically speaking, like if you register AND and you have a logo and you're using the ampersand in the logo, you're technically not using the word mark in the logo because you have a different, you know, connector essentially. But for all intents and purposes, we would not register multiple variations like that. We would just register the typical, most commonly used design
Yeah.
mark.
Yeah. I would imagine it's however they're showing it, however they want it
Yeah.
to show up on a website or on a billboard or whatever.
Yeah. And that's a frequent question too, is clients are like, well, like, how do I prevent someone from doing this other variation or spelling? And it's like, well, you don't have to. I mean, just by registering the trademark, you get a swap protection commensurate with the uniqueness of your trademark or the distinctiveness and the
Yeah.
uniqueness or distinctiveness of the goods or services. So
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. That's great.